This is homework set number 3 for Senior Design 2, ECE 403. To get to homework set number 3, just scroll down on Bison Academy to get to homework set number 3. This is your individual tasks and ECE concepts. So at this point, back in homework set number 2, you should have your OneNote documented updated to include your contact list, your project charter, including the tasks that need to get done. That's a list of tasks for everyone in your group. This week, what I want you to do is split up those tasks. Which tasks is first student going to work on? What task the second student going to work on? What task will the third one work on? Basically, have like a draft day. Pick the task you want to work on. Subject to a couple limitations. Your grade in 403 is pretty much determined by your ability to apply knowledge of ECE while solving your tasks. So make sure that the tasks that each student gets are related to ECE. Each student is able to demonstrate knowledge of ECE as you work on your tasks. So for homework set number 3, what I want you to do is for each, in your OneNote document, open up a section for each student. Within each student section, have a section on homework 3, your work breakdown, then task 1, task 2, task 3. The tasks you're going to fill in over the coming weeks. Homework 3 work breakdown is for each student. What are the major technical challenges you're going to solve? What tasks you're going to complete? A Gantt chart for yourself. Basically, what tasks are you going to get done when? How much time to allocate to each task? When do they start? When do they end? And also note, while working on those tasks, what knowledge of ECE are you going to demonstrate and what tools you're going to use. That's just kind of a check to make sure that while you're doing your tasks, you are demonstrating knowledge of ECE. Ideally, everybody should get an A in 403, but to do that, you need to be able to demonstrate knowledge of ECE. So make sure that the tasks that you pick, make sure the tasks that you're going to work on allow you to get an A. They allow you to demonstrate knowledge of ECE. So that's homework set number 3. The following homework sets, 4, 5, 6, and 7, are basically knock off the tasks one by one. It's complete task number 1, then complete task number 2. Presumably, while doing that, you'll be demonstrating knowledge of ECE, but we'll talk about that in the next homework sets. So that's homework set number 3 for ECE 403, Design 2.